Hey, my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am creating a custom color. Since it is fall, I'm giving you different shades of orange using Tough Text Orange Balloon, and I'm mixing them with black, white, gold, and Tough Text Blush. First color up is gold stuffed inside of orange and black stuffed inside of orange. I'm blowing these two balloons up. One is giving like a burnt orange and the other one is giving like a shimmery, pretty orange color, which I love. Makes me think of the perfect pumpkin. Next we have orange stuffed inside of white and orange stuffed inside of blush. Blowing these two up, it doesn't really give me the fall vibes like the other two, but it's giving me like more of a peachy shade, but it will be cool to mix with the burnt orange. And these are the different shades of orange. You could mix with other colors. I tried with rose gold and silver, but it was still giving the shimmery one like the gold. Here are the colors once again: white, black, gold, and blush. I hope this video was very informative, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Also, let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. My favorite is gold stuff inside of orange, and let me know if you want to see more custom color videos like this. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.